we are moving to so far. This is the progress that we've made. All of this stuff is going to my storage unit. All these shoes will probably get rid of this rack because it's so college and it's just not the vibe for the new place. These are wardrobe boxes. Honestly, if you are packing your wardrobe, you need these boxes. They come like this, and then there's like a little bar. You just hang all your stuff on it, and it's really nice. I'm super excited to just turn the page and start an entirely new chapter and a whole new place. I've lived in Norman for 6 years, and I'm just over it. Like, I want to change it up. It's finally time to leave. But for now, we are going to be moving in with his parents for only a couple months. And Blake's parents, if you guys are watching this, I promise you, we will only be there for a couple months. And we thank you so very much for letting us stay in your home. It's really helpful. We're looking for moving boxes, wardrobe boxes. I can't find them. Packing day 2. We have to have almost everything done by today so we can clean tomorrow. So let's go. It's hot. Special trip to Goodwill and the storage unit to get some stuff out of the way while we're still packing, and just packing up and storing some of the stuff that we are not taking with us for the time being. I would really like, ideally, to have everything done packing wise by tonight, so we'll see if that happens. So sweaty. Moving is hard work, especially in 105-degree weather. So, a little problem. This TV takes up my entire car. And we figured out that those boxes that I was carrying, we can only fit like 3 of them in here. But if I'm taking the TV, because it won't fit in Blake's truck. His bed's not long enough and his cab is too small. So I have to take the TV. And it takes up my whole car, and there's no room to put boxes. So we should have rented a U-Haul, but whatever. Thank God we woke up early this morning to keep packing and stuff like that. So I think really all we have left, I have him going home and packing up the rest of my clothes, figuring out what clothes that I'm going to take or donate. Actually, I think I already took the donation clothes. So I think all I have left to do is just take the clothes that I plan on wearing for the next week, put them in a duffel bag. I think that's it for the clothes, because I was able to fit almost all of them in my little box. Am I gonna make this gate? Am I gonna make it? I'm gonna make this gate. Barely. Okay. Blake's roommate came and got most of his stuff today, and I think maybe later today he'll be done getting the rest of his stuff, and then all we have left to do really tomorrow is just clean. Except we have to clean like every square inch of this place, all the toilets and bathtubs and like whatever. So that's gonna take like the longest, but packing is the worst part. I think I would much rather clean than have to pack. So we are on day 3 of packing. We move out tomorrow. So there's a couple more things that we have to do today. We have to, first of all, clean everything. For the most part, we have everything packed, but cleaning is gonna be the most time consuming. So I guess with that being said, we should get a move on. The first order of business is we are going to the bank because I have a bunch of coins to cash in, I guess. Since we're in the midst of moving, I don't really feel like taking a whole bunch of coins. Can you hear this? The fire alarms. I swear in this apartment complex, the fire alarms go off every day. It's genuinely crazy. I got $54 from all that change. It really is just so hot today. Like, I am sweating profusely. That's disgusting, but it's true. We're trying to be real. Blake is inside getting our lunch that we're paying for with the $54. I still can't believe that I got $54 from all of that change that we just had sitting in our change jar. We do that kind of quite often. We like collect a bunch of change and then just, you know, cash it in. And it always ends up turning out pretty nicely. So we got our favorite place in Norman. If you ever come to Norman, Oklahoma, you have to get Greek House. It is the best Greek food around, basically. The food is just so delicious, very authentic to the culture, and it's like the best place. So if you're ever in Norman, Oklahoma, you have to go to Greek House. I'm really happy that we got to go there as our last place before we move tomorrow. So many hangers. It's finally moving day. We have all of the cleaning supplies right here, and currently this is what's going on in the shower. Oh my god, it's currently 10:38 and we are planning on leaving at 3. So we have like 4-ish hours or something like that to clean out this entire place. Starting to look very empty.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's lock her up.
If you would have asked me when I was younger where I thought I would be moving after college, I would not have said Texas, but I'm excited. Every time we go down there, we have a lot of fun, so I'm happy about it. I'm just realizing this is the last time I'll ever drive out of this apartment complex, like ever again. So, it's kind of sad. We are in Texas now, not our official place of residence. Hi, it's me a year later. That's right, a year later. That's what I said. Obviously, it's been a year since I filmed all of that footage, but I'm actually editing that video right now just wanted to give you a few little updates. As you can see, I don't know, you don't know Blake's parents' house, so you wouldn't know, but this is our new apartment. Lots of exciting things to update you on. I won't wait a year before uploading. That is totally my bad, but I've been very busy. A lot of things have happened within this past year, like a lot. Living in Texas has been amazing so far. We absolutely love it. Since moving down here, I have had 2 jobs now. I'm on my 2nd job at the moment and I love it. It is literally the best job ever. Stay tuned for the next video. I'm editing that one right after this one. And that one kind of shows the process of us moving out of Blake's parents' house and into this apartment. So it's really nostalgic looking back at all of that footage from over a year ago and just looking and seeing how far we've come, how far we've grown, and looking at that apartment where we made like a whole lot of memories. We spent COVID in that apartment and that was 3 years ago. Lots of interesting things to come. An exciting announcement that YouTube hasn't heard of yet, but the rest of my social medias have. I just wanted to thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching me document all these little moments and memories and processes. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to go follow me on all of my social medias. Those are linked down below. And I'll see you guys in the next one.